Dear students of class 6th, I am Samira, teacher, UPS Shirhama, Zone Mawar. Bacho Ushlekha is from gathering to growing food of any question. Question number 3, list of grains that you eat. The one grain list to chudun yumto kyamachu. Wheat, rice, barley, bajra, green gram, black gram, white gram, corn, pulses, millet, jawar, etc. Question number 4, make a list of animals which we have talked about in this chapter. Daba to animals in list yaman matlak is kat kar chapters mas for each one describe what they may have been used for in the earlier. To which tam kat mas kotor is bron kail ka sa istemal. Sheep used for obtaining meat. Sheep is a marshas kema. Goat used for obtaining milk and meat. Goat is some god hamat base small was the kema. Cattle used for obtaining milk and meat. Atlantis e kara. Buffalo used for obtaining milk and meat. Emiste is milk the meat hema buffaloes. Ox used to help in agriculture. Rus man zimidari mas dema karnas mas madat dema kus ox. To empacho pig was used for obtaining meat. Pigs was the Thank you.